Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Now, this retails for roughly $330 US. This was part of a pre-order for a Z Fold 4. Of course, Samsung did a pretty, I would say, strong push to get people on board with essentially, buying completely in, as they always try to with all of their devices. Now, this one essentially is that rose gold color, for those of you that are wondering. And the key improvements to this brand new generation, really, it's all about battery life, in addition to the fact that you have the ability now to use a Type-C for faster charging. And we also have, at least per Samsung, I'll find out when we start using it, whether or not it's actually going to be more accurate when it comes to heart rate, sleep tracking, and GPS accuracy. So in terms of the strap, we have the Sport Band 20 millimeter right here, which is the small. This is for my fiance. This is not something I'll be using. You'll be seeing what I picked up in another video. Let's see if I can just pop this open the old-fashioned way, which I'm doing, and not trying to work with Samsung's tiny tabs anymore. They might have been easy to remove. Yep, they were, but I mangle things sometimes. So let's take a look. And so, in terms of color selection, there are options out there. This is going to have to be popped in, which I'm not going to do right now, but you can already see the color scheme as I hold it right there, just to give you an idea of what this is going to look like. I think that this generation of watch is really more about, if you aren't already in the ecosystem and you're joining it, this is probably a good way to do so, but it's not for everyone. And that's because if you don't own a Samsung device, it's definitely less advantageous to jump into a Samsung watch, unfortunately, for people who aren't Samsung users. Now, here is the charging cable, and I believe that's it. Let me just pop that open if I can. We got instructions. So that pretty much covers it. I mean, I'm going to test out, battery life. It's not going to be me. It's going to be the fiance, but we're going to find out everything we need to know. And again, having faster charging, I think, is a big deal for this device, something I think a lot of you were waiting for. But keep your eyes peeled for an update on this, and as well as the unboxing of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro LTE version that I picked up for myself. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them at that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe, and please stay safe. Later.